Welcome to the best picks. The best adjustable rod is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your home improvement arsenal, offering a simple yet effective solution for a wide range of hanging and support needs without the need for permanent fixtures or complex installations. Whether you're looking to create temporary closet space, hang curtains in a rental property, or even provide support for lightweight shelving, an adjustable rod provides a customizable and damage-free way to achieve your goals, making it an essential item for DIY enthusiasts and renters alike. Number 5. Amazon Basics Easy Install Tension Curtain Rod. Introducing the Amazon Basics Tension Curtain Rod. It's designed for quick and easy installation without any drilling required. Perfect for showers, windows, or closet doors, this rod offers a simple solution for various spaces in your home. Crafted from durable metal with a classic nickel finish, it adds a touch of style while being built to last. Easily adjust the length from 24 to 36 inches by simply twisting. It ensures a secure and perfect fit every time. The classic finials provide excellent traction and a sturdy hold, all without needing to drill holes or damage your walls. Its robust design can handle a variety of fabrics and supports up to 7 pounds, making it a reliable choice for your curtains. What we like. This one is incredibly easy to install without any tools or drilling. Its classic design with decorative finials adds a touch of style to any room. If you're looking for a quick and elegant solution for your windows or shower, this is a great choice. What people say. The rod is sturdy, easy to adjust, and strong enough to hold a full garland without bowing or slipping. Installation took maybe a minute. Twist, press, and it locked in securely. I've opened and closed the door multiple times and the rod hasn't budged at all. The matte black finish also blends in nicely and doesn't look cheap up close. Number 4. AIZESI Short Tension Curtain Rod, Black, 12-19. These short tension rods are designed to fit spaces ranging from 12 to 19 inches. They offer an ideal and secure fit for your specific needs. Crafted from durable metal with textured plastic ends, these rods provide a strong, secure hold. You can trust them to stay in place without slipping or falling. Easily install these rods in various locations. They are perfect for use as fridge rods, doorway rods, cupboard rods, or general curtain rods, supporting up to 6.6 pounds. This pack includes 2 mini tension rods made from high-quality metal. They are built for strength and long-lasting durability. We are committed to providing an outstanding shopping experience. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for assistance. What we like. These are perfect for smaller spaces like refrigerators or cupboards. The non-slip feature ensures they stay put, even with frequent use. If you need a compact and reliable rod for tight spots, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say. Item is much sturdier than expected, it looks great, works great, and I'm very satisfied. No issues whatsoever. Item is exactly as described and easy to use. Holds very well and looks like it'll last a long time. Absolutely perfect little shower curtain rods for what I needed. The 2-pack is great. Looks great, stability and tension are good. Great for lightweight curtains or other things you wish to hang. Tension is good, stays solid. A good size for certain areas. Number 3. Ausemku Never Rust Shower Curtain Rod. Tired of rusty shower rods? Ours features advanced non-corrosion technology, ensuring it never rusts, no matter the environment. It's built with high-strength steel for maximum durability and can hold up to 30 pounds without falling. Installing this adjustable rod is a breeze, fitting any space from 26 to 76 inches. Simply expand or contract it to fit your needs, no drilling, screws, or tools required. Whether your walls are smooth or textured, this rod works everywhere. Its large rubber pads grip securely without scratching or damaging any surface, and they remove cleanly. Beyond the bathroom, this versatile rod is perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, or even balconies. Use it to hang curtains in doorways or windows for added privacy or light control. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues or damage during shipping, our customer service is ready to assist with a replacement or refund. What we like. This rod is built to last, featuring a never-rust design and a high weight capacity. Its impressive adjustment range makes it incredibly versatile for various window sizes. If you need a durable, long-lasting solution for bathrooms or kitchens that can handle moisture and different wall types, this is the one. What people say. The sturdy metal construction feels durable and well-made, providing excellent support for my shower curtains. The finish is sleek and resistant to rust, maintaining its appearance even in a humid bathroom environment. No tools are required, just twist and adjust to the desired length. The non-slip rubber ends ensure a secure fit, preventing any slipping or sagging over time. The rod is highly adjustable, fitting a wide range of shower sizes. I've used it in different bathrooms with varying dimensions, and it always provides a snug and secure fit. Number 2. Adjustable Curtain Rod 2-Pack. Introducing our adjustable curtain rods, perfect for any window or doorway. These versatile rods offer a simple and effective solution for hanging various types of curtains. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, these rods are built to last. The sturdy construction ensures reliable support and long-term use in any room. Experience a secure hold with our non-slip design. The enhanced tension and durable materials prevent slipping or falling, giving you peace of mind. These rods are incredibly versatile, suitable for curtains, shower curtains, wardrobe bars, and even RV refrigerators. They adapt to your needs effortlessly. Enjoy hassle-free installation with these expandable tension rods. They provide strong support and are designed to stay in place, making them a practical choice. We are here to help. If you have any questions about our rods, our dedicated support team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. Constructed with superior carbon steel, this rod offers exceptional durability and a strong, non-slip hold. It's adjustable to fit a good range of widths, making it suitable for various applications. If you prioritize a sturdy build and a reliable grip for curtains or wardrobe bars, this option is a solid pick. What people say. Tool-free installation with reliable spring tension. Adjustable length fits a variety of smaller spaces. Fantastic design, I installed curtains and rods on 6 windows in less than half an hour. Number 1. 2 PCS Spring Tension Curtain Rod 28 to 43 inches. Crafted from superior carbon steel, these rods are designed for exceptional sturdiness and durability. You can rely on them for long-lasting performance in your home. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with our adjustable spring tension rods. They extend from 28 to 43 inches and require no drilling, ensuring your surfaces remain undamaged. Featuring a firm, non-slip design with rough metal and plastic ends, these rods provide a secure hold. The baked black paint surface ensures they won't slip or fall, even under load. These multi-purpose rods are perfect for various uses. Hang curtains, use them in wardrobes, or as shower curtain rods, they adapt to your needs. Built with non-corrosive materials, these rods resist rust and are easy to clean. They offer reliable support and maintain their integrity over time. We are here to help with any questions you may have. Our dedicated service team is available 24/7 to ensure you have a great experience with our product. What we like. This rod offers a hassle-free installation with its spring tension mechanism and a non-corrosive finish. It's adjustable and designed to stay put without collapsing. If you need a straightforward, rust-resistant rod for kitchens, bathrooms, or windows that's easy to set up and maintain, this is a fantastic option. What people say. These things work fantastic for hanging curtains in my home. I even use them for doorway curtains, they are sturdy and can take the weight. Easy to adjust. Hold weight. Don't slip. Excellent rod, versatile, and holds the curtain well because of screw torque that can be applied rather than just relying on spring as most other rods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.